How to sell tickets on Vivid Seats. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial by this channel. In this tutorial, you would learn how you can sell tickets on Vivid Seats. Selling tickets is simple once your account is set up on Vivid Seats, and I will be showing you a step-by-step tutorial on how to do so. So kindly watch to the end. First of all, log in into your Vivid Seats account just like I have done here, and once you've successfully logged in, you would see your dashboard with different tabs and all of that. Then move to the top right corner of the screen and over your cursor on your My Account icon. Once you've done that, a drop-down menu will be displayed. In this menu, you'll see options like Account, Orders, Sales, Profile. Click on Sales since you're trying to sell your ticket. Now, to sell your ticket, the first step would be for you to list your ticket for sale, right? And to do that, on the listings page, right, there are two menus here. We have listings and then sales. So on the listings page, scroll down and click Get Started Now. And once you've done that, you'll be redirected to another web page where you can see the write-up which says looking to resell your ticket, selling your ticket with Vivid Seats is easy. Then scroll down. You'll see options for you. You will see the steps you need to follow in order for you to list your ticket for sale. So the first step would be for you to list it for free, then set your own price, quantity. You can change them at any time. Then you will get notified to let you know where tickets sell, and then you must send your tickets using the same method they were originally received. Okay, and once you're ready, click sell your tickets. Then you'll be redirected to the next page. Now, before intending to sell your ticket, you must have ensured that your event has been uploaded already on the site. So once your event has been uploaded, the next step will be for you to find your events here by clicking on the search box and then typing out your event. So let's typing out your event, search for it, and then once you've found your event, click on it. Then you'll be redirected to another page. On this page, you would have the option to list your ticket. Okay, so on the page, on that particular page that will be displayed, you have the option for you to upload your ticket details, set your price, and then review Vivid Seats fees. If it's okay by you, publish your listing and wait for a buyer. Once you've gotten a buyer, Vivid Seats will notify you. All right, then follow the instructions to transfer the ticket. Once the ticket has been transferred, you would easily secure your payment via PayPal after the event occurs. And it's as simple as that. So selling your tickets is very simple and straightforward on Vivid Seats. The major thing you should ensure is that you have all the pictures, you have your prices ready, and then you have your event listed already. Once that is done, follow the steps in this tutorial and you are good to go. So there you go. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.